The roaring crowds and blaring sounds at South signify only one thing, that of what Stuco has poured their heart and soul into.
We try to keep our assemblies really upbeat and energetic, along with keeping the students involved and trying to keep them off their phones. We usually do that by adding really special things within the assemblies. So, yeah.
Assemblies are common all across the United States, but here at South, we're doing things a little bit differently.
We go about it is a lot different compared to other schools because we actually look at what the student body wants in an assembly and kind of what would be conducive to something that was entertaining.
Giving students time to shine not only helps their creative side, but also shows South what their peers can do.
This year we really tried to bring the assemblies to be a lot more energetic, and we've been pouring a lot more energy into the assemblies themselves. We've also tried different types of assemblies. For example, our Thanksgiving assembly, we did a lot of games rather than having certain clubs and dance team, cheer team, and then perform.
With Stuco having more and more students presenting what they can do to the South student body, we can't wait to see how they shake up this old school tradition. Signing off for the Southside Scoop, I'm Brandon Walker.